This is Chinese celery. It's the thinner, more delicate cousin of the regular celery. Smells almost exactly the same. This is a little bit more floral, but if you don't have it, you can just use the inner stalks of the regular celery. And I am making a noodle salad called Yum Woon Sen. And trust me, it is yum indeed. When Thai people make salads, it's never about the fluffy greens. We like our salads meatier. So I'm gonna cook up some ground pork, which is a classic in this salad. Just gonna add a little water to my pan here. Ground pork going in. I'm just using water to cook the pork, and this water will double as also my blanching water for the shrimp. And it cooks in literally 20 to 30 seconds. This is what I love about making salads. Now, the pork goes right into my veggie bowl. And now I have a very quick pork stock, and I'm gonna blanch my shrimp in here so that they absorb some of that pork flavor as well. And the shrimp will also take just seconds. And I always love watching shrimp change color like that. Now, I mentioned this dish is called Yum Woon Sen, and yum is a type of salad, and woon sen are these glass noodles. And I've soaked these for about 10 minutes just so they're more pliable, easier to work with, and it'll help them cook more evenly. Now, I always want to give them a couple of snips because they're super long as is, and it'll be hard to eat. And these will cook in less than 2 minutes. Check this out. These are dried shrimp. They're basically shrimp jerky, savory, a little salty, and full of umami flavors. There's no such thing as a Thai salad that is not spicy. I'm using both red and green, and the green is just an underripe version of the red, but they both have a different flavor. Red is fruity, green, a little bit grassier. And in Thailand, we use dried shrimp for all sorts of dishes. Soup, salad, stir fries, anything you want. All right, I'm gonna finish off the dressing with, of course, fish sauce. This is a must-have in any Thai salad. Lime juice. A good rule of thumb when you make a Thai salad is a little bit more lime juice than fish sauce. In Thailand, though, I would do equal parts, but the limes in Thailand are more potent than the limes here. Thai cuisine is all about balance. So when you got salty and sour, a little bit of sugar will bring it all to a happy place. Just give that a stir and the dressing is done. Salads in Thailand are considered sort of a palate cleanser in between bites because the flavors are so fresh and light. It helps balance out the heavier dishes like curries and stir fries. This just looks like a party in a bowl. Look at all that colors. Whew, smells like Thailand. And now ready to plate. See how easy that was? Now just one trick with plating. The noodles are gonna wanna be all together. That's perfect because you want all the shrimp and the vegetables to be on top because they're super colorful. Now, some roasted cashews. You can do roasted peanuts if you want, but there's something about the butteriness of the cashews that I love in this dish. And just like that, dinner is served. I love that aroma of the celery. A little floral, mixes really well with the tartness of the lime juice. The noodles sort of slip and slide in your mouth. It's a really fun texture. And you know, a Thai salad is always a perfect balance of sweet, salty, and sour, but you always want the sour from the lime to shine as a star.